Welcome back to my food channel, where I show you how to make very simple, delicious dishes that anybody could do. So, let's get started. These are your basic ingredients you're going to need in making a delicious sweet potato fries using an air fryer. 2 pounds of sweet potato and adobo fungoya. Adobo has salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. I'm going to put them together and make a delicious sweet potato fries. So let's get started. Now it's been 40 minutes. I gave it an extra 10 minutes. The sweet potato soaking in the water. The reason I soaked the sweet potatoes for 40 minutes in the water is so it could get a little softer. Okay, I drained the water, and then I just finished drying it with the paper towel. And I'm gonna season it with adobo fungoya, salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. Just put a sprinkle, put it around. Now this is optional. You could season your sweet potatoes the way you like. This is the way I do it. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sprinkle it around. Just 1 tablespoon. And last but not least, oregano. I meant to mention that I'm gonna sprinkle it with some oregano. Just a little sprinkle. Move it around. Okay, it smells really delicious now. Now I'm just gonna take the sweet potato to the air fryer. Now I'm just gonna set the timer for 20 minutes. And I'm gonna set the temperature at 390 degrees. 10 minutes from now, I'm gonna open the tray, the basket, and move the fries around so it can cook evenly. Okay, now I'm gonna pause it. It's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna take it out to move the fries around. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Now it's more crispier. You can hear it, see it, it's more crispier. Now it's ready to be served. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and until next time.